Welcome to Julia Scalper version 6, the professional Forex trading solution that's revolutionizing how traders manage their positions. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about our powerful EA and its installation. Julia Scalper version 6 is our most advanced expert advisor, featuring a unique dual take profit system, professional risk management, and an intuitive trading panel. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this EA will help optimize your trading journey. Before we begin installation, let's make sure you have everything ready. MetaTrader 4 platform MT4, a valid Julia Scalper version 6 license key. You can get this from the admin, a stable internet connection, basic understanding of MT4. Let's start with the installation process. Step 1, prepare MetaTrader 4. Open the Julia Scalper version 6 folder. Open MT4. In MT4, go to the File menu at the top and select Open Data folder. Copy the MQL and templates folders into the MT4 data folder. Close MT4 and reopen it. Step 2, load the template. After MT4 reopens, go to Templates and load the Julia Scalper template onto the chart. Click on the chart and enable Chart Shift. Step 3, configure Expert Advisor settings. Go to the Tools menu at the top and select Options. Click on the Expert Advisors tab. Enable the following 2 important settings. Check Allow DLL imports. Check Allow web requests for listed URLs. In the web request section, click Add New and enter the following URL: https://licensesolonagard.zx. Click OK to save these settings. Step 4, add Julia Scalper version 6 to your chart. You'll find Julia Scalper version 6 in your Navigator panel under Expert Advisors. Drag Julia Scalper version 6 from the Navigator to your chart. The EA settings window will appear. Step 5, enter license key and configure settings. Set the lot size for TP1. This is for your TP1 trades. It's recommended to start small here. Set the lot size for TP2. This is for your TP2 trades. Leave the magic number as default. Next is Martingale. It's better not to turn on Martingale unless you're experienced. Step 6, risk management. Enable daily profit and loss limits, set to false by default. If you want it, set it to true. In maximum daily loss, set the maximum loss allowed in a day. After that, the EA will stop trading for the day. In maximum daily profit, set the amount you want to profit in a day. Step 7, using the control panel. Your control panel has all the quick actions you need. Close all trades. You can close all trades in one click. Close profitable trades only. Close 50% of profits. Close lost trades. Pause EA button. Yellow means trading is active and sky blue means trading is paused. This is a simple way to stop new trades while keeping your open ones safe. That's Julia Scalper version 6. Powerful, simple, and ready to trade. See you in the markets.